Hey y'all, so this is my package. I'm doing an unboxing, so let me see if I can get this open without dropping my camera, or without dropping my phone rather. And it's sealed tight, y'all. Hang on. Oh, it's a new book that I just ordered. Y'all just saw my face get kind of strong just then. Oh, y'all, I'm doing it. Yay. Oh, God. My camera is all over the place, y'all. I promise. I'm going to stop moving it like this. Just give me a second. Still trying to open this package. It would be so much easier if I had like a selfie stick or whatever. But I don't. And just in case anybody's wondering, yes, I am outside of my house. Okay, I just took it out of the package. Ooh. Okay, I'm not going to throw the package on the ground because that's littering. Even though I am outside my house. Look, y'all. I got my new book by this man right here, Mr. Milton McCulloch. He is on my Facebook page. On Facebook, I'm authoress Shantina Henderson. You can look me up on there. So I had to get this book. He requested for me to get it, and he told me it was really good, so I'm definitely going to read it. And this is called I'm Just Saying, Unfiltered, A Poetic Prescription by Milton McCulloch. Yeah. So, that's the guy that wrote it. His name is right there at the bottom, Milton McCulloch. Now, I wanted to do this unboxing, and I also wanted to talk to you guys really quick. I'm almost out of time because I'm literally counting down the minutes and seconds. But I wanted to talk to you guys about supporting. Sorry, that's the train. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about supporting Black-owned businesses, Black artists on Instagram, Black artists through music, Black artists through reading, outlets, whether it be just a website, if they have poetry, if they have books that are not poetic books or books with poetry in them, if they're just urban fiction, street lit, urban fiction. I already said that, but you get the picture. If it's murder mysteries, thrillers, if it's psychological stories, if it's a romance, if it's a self-help book, we should be supporting our own as Black authors, okay? So that's something that I wanted to do for Mr. Milton McCulloch. And again, this is the book cover. Ooh. And this is the back. So a paper fell out. Sorry, guys. But, okay. Whew. The paper fell out, but I'll pick that up in a minute. But it just feels good to be outside, and the sun is shining brightly here outside my home in Florida. I stay here with my mom. And so I'm really enjoying that in many ways. But all right, you guys. And if you wonder if that's a bow on top of my head, no, it's a wreath behind me with 2 bows on it. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you have a book that you would like me to read and review, because that's what I do. I read the books and then I review them. All the books that I read. If you want me to read your book, review your book, buy your book, whether it be a paperback or a Kindle or Kindle Unlimited, please let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys.